Well, guys, let's get out here and see what we got. Sharpshooter text in.
Wild dudes. A real dark color now.
Is he male or female?
Male.
See him teeth. Good, clean.
3-4-year-old probably.
2-3-year-old maybe. Good teeth on him. Not too old. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 steps. Fox Pro X24. Well, guys, this was a pretty textbook coyote stand this morning. It's February 22nd. February 22nd. Pretty foggy this morning, really. Rained some last night. We got a south wind blowing right in our face. Started off the stand with prey distress like we always do. About 5 minutes, this coyote come barreling in, and he was not stopping. Got him stopped 14 steps from the X24. That was 6'5" Creedmoor put a hurting on him.